How to know who didn't follow back on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually find out who didn't follow you back on Instagram. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you follow a specific person and then you expect that person to follow you back as well, and most of the times this doesn't actually work out, because if I open up Instagram over here, let's say that there is a specific person that you want to follow. So I'll just choose a random profile over here. Let me just choose this one for example. You can see I don't follow them, so I'm just going to select follow, and then here you can see following. Now basically if I refresh it, in order to find out whether or not this person has followed me, when I just go to their following tab over here, you'll most likely find a name which is at the very top. If you don't find a name at the very top, it means that this person doesn't follow you. So to prove this to you, I'll just show you a profile that follows me. So this is basically a profile that follows me, right? So if I go to their following tab, it is just going to show my name on top of the following tab. As you can see over here at the very top, this is my username of my Instagram. So this is how you can figure out whether or not someone is actually following you back. And of course, if you want to find out in bulk, then there are some third-party apps, but I'm not going to cover them in this video just for some privacy reasons and security concerns about YouTube. Hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.